Hey everybody, Marion the Barbarian here. You know what, maybe I shouldn't have my work uniform on because they probably don't want that all involved. But we have, like, I just got in from work, so if you're new to the channel, that generally means I'm doing an unboxing, couldn't wait to get home, or couldn't wait to shower and get undressed and stuff. So we're going to do an unboxing video. It's going to be rather small because I know what it is. It's smaller than the last unboxing, but hey, wanted to do an unboxing. Share with you what I got. How's everybody doing this new year? You know, resolutions. Anybody make any? Are you sticking to them? I don't make them. I don't stick to them. All right. So, I'm going to say this wrong probably, but this is House of Mammoth. I want to say is it Fundau or Fundau? But how it's spelled up here. Oh, that's interesting. I'll probably end up liking that. That's interesting. I'll have to give you more, but like, I'll like that. I can understand why the scent would be polarizing for some people. But I think I'm going to like it. Let's see what the splash is like. We got the matching splash. I think this is celebration of Chinese New Year. Am I wrong? Now that smells different, but you get the alcohol off of it. Can't wait to find out. Can't wait to find out. All right, guys, you had to know. The other one had a Noble Otter on there. Look at that label. Look at it. Just sparkle. Italian Summer. I mean, I got Tunes and Spoons, and I don't know how I missed Italian Summer. Oh, that's nice. That's nice, guys. Super excited about that one. I really like Noble Otter. It's one of my things. Let's see if we can open this up. Handy dandy cutting device. Just get underneath and get that cling wrap off. It's nice that they do that so it doesn't leak and it seals it all up nicely, but I struggle. I lack nails. There we go. Y'all witnessed the struggle firsthand. All right, guys. Should be back Friday night or Saturday morning with a new video. Shave video. I'm using one of the other shave soaps a couple of times before I use it in a video. That's nice. I'm telling you guys. Look at Noble Otter, man. They have some nice labeling going on lately, guys. I mean, they've always been nice, but they have upped their game, that is for sure. All right, guys. You know, you made it this far. Like the videos, subscribe to the page, hit that noti bell. Hey, we'll catch you next shave.